named this ride Reclaim Myself. You know the reason why. Special thanks to GoPro India for sending in the GoPro 9. This one, that is my Solace riding gear. This is a touring riding gear. This is more than 8 years old. So this is the anti-fog and the rain-proof visor. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and I'm so sorry if I bored you guys with my previous video. The intention wasn't that, but then I just had to express myself, so that is what happened. But in this video it's going to be a lot of fun because we are going to pack for our next big ride, which is Reclaiming Myself, and I'm going to ride all the way to IBW. We'll have a couple of people with me, and I'm going to show you through what I'm going to pack or carry along with me and the kind of gears that I'm going to wear and all of it. So let's pack, and I'll come back right after this intro video. So welcome back, guys. So here we are now gonna figure out the stuff that I'm gonna carry along with my ride. So I'm gonna use my AGV helmet for this ride. That is the ride to IBW, and I have named this ride Reclaim Myself. You know the reason why. And this I have put a mount from Action Cams. So they've sent me this mount, so I'm gonna use this. And special thanks to GoPro India for sending in the GoPro 9, and this just came on time, so thank you so much. So I will have the GoPro 9 for the entire recording bit. And then thanks to Santosh, little trippy little hippie, for getting me a deal on this Sena headset, so that will go on to my helmet. So that's gonna be there, a part of my helmet. And then let's just get on to what riding gear I'm gonna wear. So I am going to use this one, that is my Solace riding gear. This is a touring riding gear, so I'm going to use the Solace riding gear with the riding pant that comes with that. So this is going to be my one second, let's get this here. So this is going to be my riding jacket and pant. And yes, that's my hydration pack, so I will also get this. So this is from Visor. Let me get my hydration pack out. So this is more than 8 years old and still doing good. So I'll be using my Visor one. And when it comes to riding gear, riding gloves, so I'm gonna use the Solace riding gloves for this ride. So that's gonna be this. So this is gonna be my riding gloves for this ride. I'm going to use a full gauntlet because it's a long ride. Normally I prefer to wear a short gauntlet, but then this ride I'm going to do a full gauntlet. Okay, putting this back. I am also going to carry my rain liner. So that's the rain liner. So this is from Visor again. So that's from Visor again. So you have the riding pant as well inside. That's the rain liner and the jacket. So that's gone there. And then yes, I have some stuff which has come from Auto Pro. So this is the anti-fog and the rain-proof visor, which will again go onto the helmet. So I'm going to do a separate video on that. How do you put that? What do we need again from this? I think we're pretty much sorted. I'll probably also take a short gloves just in case if I feel like using, if it's too hot, we'll do that. Definitely I'm gonna carry my helmet clean, so this will keep your helmet hygienic after you use this. I think that's pretty much sorted from here. And then definitely I am gonna carry my hard disk for sure, so that will go in. And then I'm gonna carry my tripod. This is the Joby tripod. That's gonna go. And then I have a very important stuff, that is this. So this is a multi-unit charger, so I will be able to charge my mobile phone, charge the GoPro, and all the gadgets that's there without any problem. So I'm gonna definitely carry this. There's first aid here, so I've just got the entire first aid thing done ready, so that's there. One tripod that will go as a part of this ride, and then now for the luggage system. So special thanks to Rhinox for sending in the luggage system. So I'm going to use the Rhinox saddlebags for this ride. So that will be Rhinox saddlebags, and also I'll have the tank bag, that's again by Rhinox. So I'll have the Magnapod tank bag for this ride, and this is going to be the saddlebag for this ride. And I'm gonna use maybe Soleil's touring boots. That's this. I'm gonna use this. I have the Forma Adventure. Maybe that will not be a part of this ride because I am riding a Highness. So this is what will go. And yeah, here are all the stuff. So I've just got another riding jacket from Moto Talk. I'll do a separate video on that as well. Yeah, I've just kept most of the stuff ready now. So these are the stuff that will go for my ride, and a little bit of clothing will be a part of this ride. And yeah, I think that's more or less. I try to travel as light as possible. I do not carry too much of a stuff. I carry 1 or 2 denim and maybe a couple of t-shirts, that's it. So whenever I travel as light as possible. And I will carry a riding denim, so that can double up as a regular denim for me as well as riding. Maybe a pair of slippers and a couple of t-shirts, and that's it. I am done with my packing. So not too much of a packing here. And this ride is very, very emotional for me. And thanks to all the brands who have been a part of this ride. Thank you so much for making this ride happen. With that, I'm done with my packing. That's all, guys. See you until the next video. Please stay at home, stay safe, vaccinate yourself if you haven't, and keep it rolling.